Hello, viewers. First of all, I want to thank you all for all your love and support. Our channel is now a family of more than 500 subscribers. Keep supporting Story Loop. We are really grateful. Today, I want to share my excitement, my joy of spring with you all. It was few weeks back when I realized that the green mountains were smiling again. It's incredible how this place changes its appearance with each season. It is still a bit cold, but nature has opened her chest of treasures. Remember those words from Shelley? "O wind, if winter comes, can spring be far behind?" That evening, I walked towards the campus of Heidelberg University. And there she stood, a cloud of milky white, those beautiful clusters of white cherry blossom, swinging with the rhythm of air. But walking further ahead into the campus, I found this sight, a canopy of cherry blossoms, rows of pink on either side of the road. The campus looked so different that day. If you look closely, you will see shimmering clusters of pink, white, and sometimes fuchsia. I don't quite remember how long I stood there mesmerized. The blue sky and sun played its own game of peekaboo through these clouds of blossom. On the mossy bark of the tree, the cluster of these graceful pink flowers were like a little palace of its own. The hue of these petals are like that of ruby, and if you look closely enough, each of these delicate petals are so thinner than paper. A little pinch, and perhaps it will bleed pink. The sun went down and I came back home. I forgot to revisit those blossoms later that week and perhaps the next few weeks too. I was too preoccupied with my day-to-day life. But when I remembered and went back, the exquisite vibrancy of the pink flush of color that I had seen before was gone. And much of it had fallen on the ground. I was late. These petals on the ground reminded me of the Japanese tradition of Hanami, where people take a moment to enjoy the beauty of these transient cherry blossoms. People gather under the blooming cherry blossoms for food, drinks, songs, companionship, and of course the beauty of Sakura before it fades. These flowers are deeply embedded into the Japanese cultural consciousness as a symbol of beauty of life, which is very fragile. Life is beautiful, but also transient. So let us not overshadow our happiness with unnecessary anxiety and stress. Let's do everything to our life like spring does to these blossoms. Bloom. If you liked the video, don't forget to leave your thoughts in the comments section. I love to hear from you. There is a little highlight of a next video. Turn on the bell icon so that you don't miss any upload. See you soon.